What if the SUV you're planning to buy right now could either last a decade or become a constant headache? Every year, Consumer Reports puts vehicles through brutal testing and real-world data analysis. But their latest 2025 to 2026 reliability scores just hit different. Out of dozens of SUVs tested, only 9 came dangerously close to perfection, scoring near that elusive 100 mark. These aren't just good, they're the ones owners barely complain about, mechanics rarely see, and buyers keep recommending. But here's the twist. A few big-name SUVs didn't make the cut, and the top 2 might completely change what you think reliable means. Let's break down all 4, starting from the lowest ranked to the absolute best. Number 4. Porsche Macan. The 2026 Porsche Macan earns a strong reliability score of 84, and seeing a Porsche rank this high might catch some people off guard. But there's a reason for it. This is a platform that's been refined for years, and owners regularly praise its tight build quality, premium materials, and a chassis that stays solid without developing the rattles or suspension looseness common in this class. Most importantly, serious mechanical failures are rare. That said, there's an important distinction to make. Being reliable doesn't mean it's affordable to maintain. After about 40,000 miles, you may start to see oil leaks from the valve and timing covers. Suspension components like control arm bushings can wear out, and the PDK transmission may begin to feel less smooth when shifting between reverse and drive. None of these issues are catastrophic, but they're not cheap either, with repair costs often landing between $800 and $1,500. So yes, the Macan is dependable, but it still comes with premium ownership costs. Number 3. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek, a small SUV that punches far above its weight. In the subcompact category, few vehicles offer this mix of capability and value. Consumer Reports gives the Crosstrek an 82 predicted reliability score, and its hardware explains why. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and standard all-wheel drive, it can handle rough roads and light trails that stop many larger crossovers. That's a big reason younger buyers gravitate toward it. It supports an active lifestyle without crushing monthly payments. Its compact footprint makes city driving and tight parking easy, yet on weekends it's perfectly comfortable heading to trailheads or campsites. Inside, Subaru uses space efficiently. The front seats are supportive for long drives, the rear seats are usable for shorter trips, and the cargo area easily handles groceries, sports gear, or camping equipment. The dashboard is dominated by an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen with clear navigation, smartphone integration, and Subaru Starlink services for emergency assistance and vehicle monitoring. Fuel economy comes in around 33 miles per gallon on the highway, impressive for an AWD vehicle with real ground clearance. Power from the base engine is sufficient, though passing on 2-lane roads requires some patience. Safety remains a strong point, with standard eyesight features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure alerts. The Crosstrek delivers efficiency and versatility, but for some buyers, even better fuel savings may still be the next priority. 2. Toyota 4Runner. The older 4Runner built its reputation on a bulletproof 4.0-liter V6, and engine mechanics have seen push well past 300,000, even 400,000 miles. But that era is over. The all-new 6th generation swaps it for a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 278 horsepower, while the hybrid version jumps to 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. And surprisingly, the early data looks incredibly strong. The redesigned 2025 model launched with a 95/100 reliability score from Consumer Reports, almost unheard of for a first-year redesign. J.D. Power also ranked it at the top of its segment right away. Now, there's understandable concern about turbo engines, but this isn't the same problematic twin-turbo V6 Toyota used elsewhere. This 2.4-liter turbo has already been used in high-volume models since 2022 without major failure trends. Realistically, it should comfortably reach 200,000 plus miles, but expecting the old V6's 400,000-mile longevity might be a stretch. That's the trade-off. One advantage? It's built in Tahara, Japan, a plant known for exceptional quality control. If you can wait, later model years will likely improve even more, but even now, it's already proving to be one of the most reliable new SUVs available. Number 1. Honda Passport. This one is a surprise. The 2026 Passport earned a 97 out of 100 in Consumer Reports reliability, testing the highest score ever recorded for a midsize SUV. Not just this year, but all time. Under the hood, Honda kept things simple and proven. It uses a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 producing 285 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. While other brands are moving towards smaller turbo engines and complex hybrid systems, Honda stuck with a powertrain that's been refined for over 2 decades. That matters. This V6 has been tested across millions of vehicles, delivering the kind of long-term durability newer designs simply can't match yet. The 2026 model is fully redesigned, featuring a stronger platform and improved AWD capability. The Trail Sport trim, in particular, adds real off-road credibility. Of course, any first-year redesign carries some risk, but Honda's track record with this engine helps reduce that concern significantly. Bottom line, in 2026, Toyota and Honda hybrids continue to lead in reliability overall, while plug-in hybrids lag behind. And although first-year models are usually risky, the Passport and even the latest 4Runner are rare exceptions that are already proving themselves early. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. On paper, this shouldn't work as well as it does. You've got an electric motor, battery pack, regenerative braking system, and a gasoline engine all working together. In most cases, that level of complexity leads to more potential failure points over time. But Toyota didn't reinvent the wheel here, they refined it. This hybrid system has been tested across multiple models for years, building a track record in real-world conditions with hundreds of thousands of miles behind it. That's why this SUV performs so consistently. Owners report minimal battery degradation, smooth transitions between electric and gas power, and a drivetrain that just keeps going without issues. It's not just about reliability, it's about efficiency. The system is designed to reduce strain. The electric motor supports the engine when needed, preventing constant stress and extending the life of key components. According to Consumer Reports, it scores an outstanding 79 in reliability. But more importantly, that performance translates into real savings. It retains around 72% of its value after 3 years, while also delivering lower fuel costs and fewer repair bills. This is where smart engineering meets long-term value.